step into the Ford 2016 F-150 Platinum. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are navigation system, voice-activated navigation, equipment group 701A luxury, FX4 off-road package, technology package, 10 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, CD player and radio data system. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.